today's session, basically, we are going to highlight three stocks, mostly from the property and construction side. First one is actually ENO, Eastern and Oriental. I think if you look at the daily chart here, the share is still actually consolidating in the descending wedge pattern. This is actually a bullish reversal pattern. Therefore, I think that is a good sign that there is a short-term base which is actually formed after October. Okay, so yesterday I think we see more positive. Reason being, I think the candles has actually surpassed the 30-day SMA on higher volume, and I think it is actually on track to challenge the 50-day SMA. I think most likely the stock will challenge the 50-day SMA the next few trading days, and once this is overcome, stock will challenge the November high of 62 cents before going after higher targets. However, I think keep your stop tight. I think right now we are putting it at about 53 cents. This is just to prevent any potential fallout in case the market turns. Okay. Second stock is WCT Holdings. I think if you look at the correction from the high, it was very sharp. I think from a high it was like 59.5 cents. I think today it is only trading at about 47.5 cents. But what we see here is the correction actually dragged share price below the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. But I think after a few days of consolidation, the share price has now bounced back the lows, and it is now trading about that Fibonacci retracement level. So I think judging from this, together with a improving RSI reading as well as increasing volume, I think we believe a stronger rebound could be underway. Okay, most likely pushing towards the 30-day and 50-day SMA. Only a fall below 45.5 cents would actually negate our bullish momentum. Okay, third stock is actually Sunway Berhad. I think if you look at the candlestick here, it has been gyrating sideways for the past few months, hovering between 30-day and 50-day SMAs. In other words, I think it is still premature to conclude that the consolidation phase is over. Having said so, I think a positive indicator popped up yesterday. I think if you look at the chart here, the green line, which is the 30-day SMA, has actually cut above the red line, which is the 50-day SMA. So I think what it implies here is the bulls are gaining momentum. And notably, I think when you look at the volume, it is actually also on the rise. So I think chances are share price will actually likely charge higher over the next few days.